Hello, and welcome back to another episode of NOTaR. So, it's hopefully going to be quite quick and easy. We've basically done half of the steps already. So we're going to take the front bumper off and we're going to replace our DRL lights. So there's a really cool place called Diamond Bulbs that are on Facebook, and basically they provide white LED or halogen bulbs to replace the ones that are already in your car. So we're going to give them a go. And we're going to see how they look, because mine are horrifically yellow, as you're about to see in a minute. And also we've got one DRL light that's completely blown out anyway, so we needed to replace them. So I'm going to bring you along for the ride. Let's get to it. So this is what my current DRL lights look like. So obviously you can see one is blown out and the other one is yellow as hell. So it's going to be a great time to replace the pair of them. So I was fully prepared and ready to take off the whole front bumper so we can change the DRL lights, but there is this little hatch which I've taken off over this side, and that is everything that we want to get hold of. Love you, Scirocco engineers. Look at that. So as you can see here, we've got 1, 2, so the DRL, and then that's your indicator. So this is in there like that. You just twist it this way and then it will come out, and then we'll swap this bulb over and then we'll carry on with the other side. And obviously you can see it gone in the correct side. And these are the LEDs, because they won't fail MOT because it's not a part of the headlight. These are the LED bulbs that Diamond Bulbs hooked me up with. So as you'll see on the replacement bulbs, you have to turn the bulb and then pull it out, but I had an utter mare with this because essentially my bulb was disconnected from its holder. So as you can see here, my two pieces separated, causing a massive issue, but I ended up just sort of grabbing it with a pair of pliers, twisting it out, and then we can obviously slot the new one in and everything should fit together quite nicely. To reinstall the bulb holder is just a reverse of the removal process. So you just need to slot it on and then turn it counterclockwise to lock it back into place. With one side down, now it's just a copy and paste on the other side. So you pull the connector up and then out, and then you just twist the bulb out and replace it with your new LED or standard replacement bulb. So as you can see, this side was a lot less perilous for me and it came out straight away, so it was a nice simple swap. So the last step is just to replace the cover, but I had a bit of a mare with this, so I've got some top tips on how to get it back in so it all fits nicely. So I figured that the best way to do it, clip in this side, so like this, slot the top on, and then just sort of bend it to pop these two in. Also make sure that you've got this at the bottom, because that's where you're supposed to pull it out from. And here are some before and after shots. And that concludes today's episode, guys. So, pretty simple. It would have been a lot harder if we'd have actually had to take the bumper off, but with that little slit and like the little hole thing, worked out pretty well. Obviously, the DRLs, the bulbs had already gone, so replacing them was a necessity anyway, so I'm pretty sure you need those to pass MOT, and they look 10 times better. So, massive shout out to Diamond Bulbs. Like I said, you know, it's really quick delivery. The prices are very reasonable, and the products literally do exactly what they say on the tin. They are nice and white and they look great. So yeah, please leave a comment down below, and hope you see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.